Welcome to my video. Harnett County, North Carolina Building Department required stamped structural prints for anything that falls outside of the general building code. And timber framing definitely falls outside of the general building code. So I had to find a structural engineer who was willing to do a timber frame structure. I found a guy in Raleigh who did it, but he was very expensive and he really didn't seem very sure of himself. I found another gentleman out in the mountains. This guy's name is David Hortequin. He is a structural engineer who specializes in timber framing. He did the structure for me and did an unbelievable job. It was drawn up by Chris Miller Designs after David did all the engineering on it. If you have any structural engineering needs for timber framing, those guys are definitely the guys to look for. They are on the internet.
Huh. Is that a persuader?
What, this? No, this is a carving mallet. Handmade out of Bradford pear. Very, very hard.
That's a big
Chisel.
chisel. Thanks. Could not think of the word.
This is a timber framing chisel.
Mom said Leighton came over here and smelled the wood and smells good.
He did. Made my heart sing.
Doing pretty good on the ice, by the way.
Well, excellent.
He was marching a little bit by himself. I can show you. Yeah, we've been talking. It's fine. What type of chisel is that?
This is a corner chisel for timber framing. So I hog out the tenons, excuse me, the mortise with a drill, and then I square it up with a router. But the router can only go so deep, so I gotta square it off and make it deeper with the chisels.
I'm assuming the holes are from the router.
No, the holes are from the drill.
Oh.
The fact that it's
hollowed out like that.
Yeah, is from the
router.
Yeah.
Okay. Just go all the way through.
Not all the way through. Not on this one. Some of them are through mortises, but this one's not. This is a pocket for a knee brace. This over here is for the cross tie, which is a 6x10 beam that'll come up. Then the knee brace will go from here up to the cross tie.
Okay. Got a little bit of wood chips in there.
Yeah.
Does smell good. Now you got further away. How far down do you have to go?
Just the bottom where the drill holes went. Where there is knots are the biggest problems. That's very hard stuff.
Have they gotten lighter?
Huh?
Have they gotten lighter?
Marginally.
Chilly out.
Yeah, it's getting there. This is it for today.
Ooh, we still have to go get the fryer, don't we?
Yep, gotta do that.
You going to church today? Mom wants to.
Flip it again. You can see that it is substantially deeper than it was.
Yeah. Knot?
Yeah, there's a knot there. Yeah, see it? Down there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That's all lighter wood. It's all impregnated with resin.
Here's the knot.
When you want to clean up the bottom, you want to use the chisel. So some people would think it's upside down. That way it cuts across the bottom rather than cutting into the bottom.
To make it flat?
Uh-huh. That's really as clean as it really needs to be.
So it's just gonna get something stuck in it.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Can I stop the video? Okay.
This is the knee brace. The hole is big enough. And a lot of them have to be trimmed. And this goes into here. Now, it needs, this one's too big, but that's the idea. It'll go into there. And this will lock into that
divot right
pocket.
there?
Yeah. And then there'll be a peg, 1-inch peg that will go through here, and we'll draw that in tight.
Okay.